question number 1 in the series of how to get straight A's in financial management. So let's look at this example. How much money should you invest right now to get a certain amount in the future? Okay, say you want to have $10,000 in the future and you're able to get a 12% return effective rate per year, and you are going to invest for 10 years. Now, let's look at this formula. First of all, which formula do you need? Well, you're going to need a compound formula. The amount equals P times parentheses plus R and your N. N is time. So first of all, we already know what the amount is going to be, $10,000. Principal is what we're looking for, or present value. R is a 12% per year, and N is 10 years. Because we already have the effective rate per year, we are going to use N equals 10 in this formula. So we have $10,000 equals P times 1 plus 0.12. The reason why I'm putting 0.12 is that we have to put this into decimals. Decimals would be 0.12. So now we have this number up here. What we're going to do is we want to isolate this P. So we can complete this number right here to get it isolated. So one, we're going to pull out a calculator. 1.12 to the power of 10 equals 3.1008 equals 10,000. Then we can isolate this. How we're going to do this is that we're going to divide the number 358 on both sides, and this cancels out this part. Then we got P, 10,000 divided by 3.1008 equals $3,219.78. In this example, what we see is that in order to get $10,000 in 10 years at an effective rate of 12% per year, we are going to have to invest $3,219.78 to get $10,000 in 10 years. So this is question number 1 in the financial, getting straight A's in financial management. Thank you. Have a good one.